Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you heard of this app that pays you to walk? An app that rewards every step that you take? In case you haven't heard of it, there's a new app in town that rewards you to walk. This app pays you to do a lot of things, to check in, to do a lot, to play games and all of that, and that is what I will be explaining in this video. But before we dive in, please take note, this video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor and I cannot guarantee any specific earnings. Your result depends on your efforts and you should always do your own research. For this app in question, the link will be in the comment section and also in the description of this video. For each day you log into this app, you have 2 games to try on, and each one gives you 2,200 coins. And the second thing is by playing lucky box. You have 3 lucky box to play as well, and each one gives you 2,200 coins. And the second one is by watching ad. Every ad you watch, you get coins, and you have the 5 ads to watch per day, and each ad give you 1,100 coins. And the fifth one is each 5,000 steps you take give you 1,100 coins. Imagine if you're the type that walks a lot, how many coins you can get in a day just by walking. And the sixth one is by inviting. If you invite 3 friends, you will be rewarded with 33,000 coins. All right, another one is that you get coins each day you check into this app, and when you register newly, you'll be given a newcomer task, which if you complete, there is a reward for you. Now if you want to withdraw from this app, you click on this mine, come to this withdraw. Your minimum threshold depends on the country you are. For my own country, Nigeria, the minimum threshold here is 11,000 naira, which is 9,680,000 coins. So if you register on the app, you will find out your own minimum threshold. Now when you come down, you see the withdrawal rules. You can withdraw once you reach the minimum required amounts. That is number 1. And the number 2 says you can't withdraw more than once a day. Okay, and the third one said after submitting a request, fund will be arrived within 1 to 7 business days. And the fourth one says if cheating is dictated, example using tools exporting bugs, your withdrawal will be denied and your account may be banned. So it is very important you go through this withdrawal rules so that you will not be denied of your money after working. The withdrawal method is paper and bank transfer. So if you're in a country where paper is not supported, don't worry, you can as well withdraw to your local bank. So trust me, this app is very good. I think you should try this app out, and trust me, you will not regret doing that. And here on this box is a coins for you. So each day you log in, you check that box out, and the good part is that you can withdraw without referring. So if you're this person that doesn't like referring, or you don't have someone to refer, trust me, this app will pay you with or without referring. But just that when you refer, it will help you to reach your minimum threshold quick. So if today is your first time of coming across my video, this is Always NTV. In this channel, I share legit way to make money from the online space, both from sites and apps. And if that is the kind of content you love, please do well to subscribe and on your notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you will be notified. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. Of course, you guys know I love and appreciate your support. So this is where I will be ending today's video. If you get any value from this video, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, drop your comments and help me share so that others can watch too. Thank you for watching today's video. I wish to see you in my next one. Bye.